Hi guys, this is Miss Maye. I hope you all are doing good. Today I have a science activity for you guys. I planned this. It's gonna be short and simple. I hope you guys enjoy it, and I really want you guys to do it at home with your mom and dad, okay? Okay, so we're gonna learn about sinking and floating today. Sinking is when something goes down to the water, stays underneath the water. And floating is when it stays on top of the water. So we're gonna put one of these items at a time. We're gonna pick one at a time. We're gonna put it in the water, and we're going to see if it sinks or if it floats, okay? Are we ready? Remember, you can pick any item at home. Go around your house and tell mommy what you wanna pick to do this activity. So we're gonna start with Sophia's Easter egg. We're gonna put it in the water. And does it sink or float, guys? It definitely floats because it stays on top of the water. Let's try the rock. Ooh, that one sank. Now we're gonna try with the spoon. Ooh, that one sink or float? That one sank, guys, okay? It goes right here. And our very last one is a straw. That one float, guys, because it stays on top of the water. So remember, you can go around to the kitchen, you can go with mommy and check what can you use. Always, always, always do any activity with your mom or your daddy's help. So get 3 or 4 items and try to do the sinking and floating activity at home. I hope you guys like it. I miss you all and I hope to see you soon, guys. Besitos, mis niños.